Yeah, it's recording.
Good morning, everybody. Today, I'm going to talk about good experience about customer service. So, as a matter of fact, as a customer, we usually feel happy when we are satisfied and when the service comes beyond our expectations. Like, once I bought this mobile which is recording, it got collapsed after 1 month. Then I was just, I got so much attention and I felt so bad. I went to the company and I gave it to them. Then what happened? They said, okay, we will replace it. And I got it replaced. I felt so happy, and that gives me satisfaction and loyalty to this brand name, Sony Ericsson. And also after that, I bought music player, Sony music player. I bought laptop, Sony Vaio, and now to feel the satisfaction and get what you expect, that is what's required as a customer to go forward and buy from the same product. And one more thing is my friend has got another experience with HP laptop. He bought it new from the company and he has got 1 year warranty. Then what happened after, for 2 times they placed the motherboard for the laptop. And he still, yes, he feels bad, though he feels bad and face problem, then with his laptop it was sick. But they still, they still replace and they still try to satisfy his needs. And as a conclusion, companies which is leading in the market and has got and make high market share, the reason behind that is they try to satisfy the customers. Thank you. They try to satisfy the customers and they try to provide them services and make sure they are happy. And this is a concept behind customer care service. It's called happy customers. Okay. And thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.